Hey, it's William Yumming, and so previously we talked about the gesture and how to use like the center line. Okay, so let me just quickly draw a center line here, and how to make it balance from the front point of view. But what about this side? Okay, so for example, it's from the right side of a person, and obviously you're not going to draw a perfectly symmetric shape. So what you're going to do is to draw a head, just a right side, this side of the center line here, and then the chest should go back and tilt it. That's what I learned. So just something like this. Okay, just tilt it using basic shape. Okay, just tilt it like this, and then because if you look at this, all the weight is going to the right side, so you have to like balance a little bit. So you have to make it to the left side a little bit. So I'm going to make the pelvis like this. Okay, and then once you got that, then you can draw a line here, because you can get the in order to get the proportion right, you have to make this part approximately the same. So it will be here. So approximately it will be here. Okay. So once you finish that, you just get the half point approximately here and make curve. Okay, make curve here and another curve hopefully down below, and this should be the leg. Okay, and then using the curve to connecting the dots. So for example, the head is here, right? The head, and the head will like a tilted front, so the neck will go here and go back. Okay, and then go here, and the neck here will just be connected and go here. And in order to connect that, you can't go draw a straight line, but rather you need to make a curve. So just curve it like this, and then just connecting a dot here, and then you can, based on whether it's a female or a male character. So if it's a female character, you will be more tilted. So just a round shape like this. Okay, because yeah, the female character normally will have some sort of like a high heel, something like that. So the leg will go, the feet will go this way, because it's a high heel. Okay, so you go this way and push the calf up. Okay, so you have a more like a streamlined calf like this. Okay, and then you can get a more upturned hip. So it would be should be something like this. Okay, so the whole human body should like go more tilted to the front, um, balanced by this part. Okay, going down, and I believe that's how the balance goes. Okay. And by the way, I want to talk a little bit about the high heel and the calf area, because it's very typical for artists to consider, if just to change that from male to female. Okay, so if it's male, you're going to change it to female. You're going to sort of make this like more tilted. Okay, so it should be something like this. Okay, and should be wider, something like this. So more tilted, like a rotated. Um, so the reason for doing that is because um, first is like biologically that female got like a wider pelvis. The bone here is wider. The second is that normally female would in your model they may like wear the high heels, so you may get some like a high heel like this. Okay, so for example, let's quickly draw a high heel, like maybe draw a high heel like this. Okay, so maybe draw a high heel, so the calf will be pushed more streamlined rather than like a curved like this, and more streamlined going up, and it'll be something like this. So it will be like a more straight line, and then the pelvis will become more rotated because it will be more rounded glute area like this and going down. Okay, so so that's the reason why you're drawing like a female character, especially with taking into account the high heel. May need to like rotate this part a little bit. Okay, and yeah, and yeah, that's all. Bye.